Hi guys, it's Pat here, and today we're back with another video. So today we're making macaroni and cheese. So what you'll need for tools and stuff, you'll need a wooden spoon, a strainer, a measuring cup, and a small measuring cup, and then a butter knife. And then you also need a pot with a lid. Okay guys, so for the food ingredients, you're gonna need a Kraft macaroni and cheese box, some cream cheese, some butter, milk, and mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, so I filled my measuring cup up once with a cup and now I'm gonna put it in the pot. So you have to do this 5 more times. 5. Okay guys, so now you turn your stove burner on high and you take a pinch of salt. I know I didn't have this in the ingredients, but you probably have some salt. So you take your salt, sprinkle it in the water. Just let that sit there. And now you take your lid and put it on to your pot so that the water can boil. Okay guys, so once you have your water at a boil, you need to pour your mac and cheese noodles into the pot. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get the milk ready. So you want to take your small measuring cup and fill it with milk up to the 1/4 of a cup. Okay guys, so now you need a parent or guardian to help you strain the water out of the pot because you don't want to burn yourself. Okay guys, so now we want to cut our butter. It should have like a label on 2 tablespoons, so I want to cut it to 2 tablespoons. Ugh. There, that works. Okay guys, so now you need to take your butter. Oh God. Okay, your butter and your cream cheese and put them in the mac and cheese, and now I need a paper towel. Okay guys, so I had to add another one of the sizes of butter, so like pretty much about the same size as this, and put that in there. So now you want to take your cheese packet and you open that up and just dump it into the pot. Make sure you get all of the cheese out of the packet. Okay, so now you want to take your mozzarella cheese, open that up, take a handful and just sprinkle it around. You can take a little bit more if you want. I'm gonna take a little bit more. I'm just gonna put it all in because there's not much left in the bag, so. There we go. And now you have to mix everything up. Oh wait, I forgot. You need to put the milk in there too. Just add your milk in and just mix it all up. So guys, once you stir it all up, it should look like this. It's really stringy. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna have this for my lunch, and all you gotta do now is just use your wooden spoon and put it on a plate. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.